Hello, it's Ava, and I'm here to tell you about Isaac Newton's 3 laws of motion. Hope you enjoy. Okay, now I'm in my garage, and I'm going to be telling you about Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia. Inertia basically means an object at rest will stay at rest unless an outside force acts upon it. So I'm going to do an example. So this object is at rest, this volleyball is at rest, and I'm an outside force, and I'm going to act upon it, and I'm going to kick it so it moves. That's the law number 1, and on to law number 2. So now I'm going to be telling you about Newton's second law of motion, the law of force. An example of this is if I have, let's say, a chair, and it doesn't have that much mass, and I push it moves pretty easily except the friction on the ground. And if I add a heavier backpack to it, more mass, then it moves harder because it has more mass, and more mass equals more friction. So that's Newton's second law of motion. On to the third one. Okay, so now we are on Isaac Newton's third law, the law of acceleration. That basically means every action has an equal and opposite reaction. An example of this law is standing. Standing is an example of this law because your mass is putting force to the ground, but since because you're not falling through, the ground is pushing more force back up to you, so you're standing up straight. So that's the third law of motion, and I hope you like this video.